Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to filter songs in your playlist on your phone on Spotify. It is very simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. So in order to do this, all you want to do is open up the Spotify app, and then once you're there, you either want to go to your bottom right corner or your library. Once you're at your library, you can then find all your playlists. Go ahead and select a playlist that you want to filter. I'll go ahead and choose this one. And then all you want to do is scroll down, and this top option will find in playlist and then sort. If I click on sort in the top right, it'll then give me these different options. So custom order is the songs that you picked in order for this certain playlist. You can also change it from title, artist, album, or just recently added. So that's the only way you can really change the order of songs in your playlist. You really can't organize anything on your phone or on your app. You have to do this on the desktop version. I'll go ahead and make a different video on exactly how to organize the Spotify songs on your Spotify desktop. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Thank you for watching. If you have any more video ideas, please make sure to leave it in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.